Hello, beautiful people, it's me. So today, it's my first video talking in English, so I'm sorry if it's not like perfect. I received a huge package from NYX Cosmetics, and it's because I made it to the top 20s in the Face Awards, and I'm so happy, and I would never thought that this could happen to me, so it's like I'm literally crying all the time. I see the whole makeup I got from them. I just thought I would introduce myself a little bit. So I'm 19 and I live in Germany, and this whole makeup thing started like last year in August because like someone once said, yeah, you look ugly with that much makeup on, and I thought, yeah, maybe I can just put more makeup on. And then I started drawing things on my face and I kind of liked it, and now I'm here doing it mostly all the time, as much as I can. And yeah, so I thought like maybe it's just a good thing to enter the Face Awards. Maybe I can see that I'm okay in that what I do, because I don't really think that it's like good, but now I think maybe it's okay. Let's do the unboxing, I guess. So this package looks like this. It's huge. So here we got some pretty eyelashes and of course an eyelash curler and different shapes of eyeliners, which I also can't wait to try, and some mascara in also purple and blue, which is super cool. And I also got the Vivid Brights colored liquid liners. I never tried them, but they are so pretty. Oh my god, the colors are so gorgeous. And of course the cream colors. And here are some metallic eyeliners and these black inner corner liners, I guess. These are also for the inner corner, and the colors are so pretty. Oh my god. And of course a makeup brush, spray cleaner. We got the Powder Puff Lippies, and I used this one yesterday and it's so pretty and I really like the texture. And I also got these matte lipsticks and they are so pretty. I also can't wait to try them. And these are so gorgeous. I never had like a lipstick like that before, so this is literally everything. Like, it's so beautiful. Some cream lipsticks, and they also have like this black one here, which is super cool because I never found a black lipstick or anything, so this is amazing. I can't wait to try this one. And for the suit ones, I don't know if it's right, they also sent some lip liners, which is pretty cool. And these soft matte metallic lip cream, I didn't open it yet, so I don't know how they look like, but someone told me they are super pretty, so yeah, I can't wait to try them. They also sent some makeup wipes and these finishing powders in 3 different shades. And these I literally can't wait to try. I saw a lot of people using them and they looked so good, so I really want to try them. And of course the loose setting powder for the cream colors, so it doesn't grease, if that's the right word, but I guess you know what I mean. Moving on to the face, we got like every shade of the Can't Stop One Step foundation. As you can see, I used these 2 already. Foundation mixers, which is also cool. I never used something like that, but I definitely would try it. And of course we got a pore filler, which is also good. So a primer, I already have this one in a package, but the more the better. And of course concealers in different shades. So here are 4 different types of these liquid boosters. I think they are, yeah, you just mix them with your foundation and then you just have a nice glow. These are the jelly highlighters, if I'm right. I already looked at this one and oh my god, it's beautiful. So here we have the liquid highlighters and also like every kind of shade, and I love highlighters, and they also have like this pretty one and this one. This looks so pretty. Here are some eye pencils. I think that's like eyeshadow in a pencil. I never tried something like that, so I don't really know what I should think about that. And here we have a pigment primer, so that's a base for all of these pigments. Oh my gosh, it's a lot. We have glitter pigments and the normal pigments, and they are so pretty. And here are some palettes of Tropic one. Looks like this, and the other one looks like this. So pretty. The colors are so beautiful. And we have a Glitter Go palette, which is super pigmented. I already swatched one color, and the Ultimate Edit one, also so pretty. And of course some brushes, which I love because I need more brushes. 2 setting sprays and this kind of makeup bag where you can put your brushes in when you like do the makeup for someone else. So I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe or give it a thumbs up. If not, it's okay, so do what you want to do, and I will see you in my next video.